Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So one of the most requested popular videos on this channel was the Newly Roommates game that Ben and I have done a couple of times. We are taking a different take on that tonight. As you can tell, we are not in our normal location. We have a couple of guests tonight. Would you like to introduce yourself?
I would. My name is Steve Seibert.
And what is your role here?
My role is as Benjamin Seibert's father.
So I'm going to get behind the camera now so our other guest can sit on the other side of Ben.
Oh, Lord.
So would you like to introduce yourself, guest number 2?
I'm Gina Seibert. I'm Ben's mom.
So today we are doing the Newly Roommates game. I don't know what to call this because it's not Newly Parents.
Banana.
It's the banana game.
Pineapple.
All right, so we
Boy Scouts.
If you want to see who knows more about Ben, then please keep on watching. So we're just going to rapid fire through these. Do either of you have anything you want to say to your other competitor before you start?
I love you.
Good luck.
Ben, I don't want to put you in the middle here. But do you have a
horse in this race?
No, like do you have
Put your hand around your father and not me.
Because he's going to need it when he loses.
Okay, I think that's all that needs to be said. So we're going to start with the only question that neither Ben or I know the answer to. Because it seems like the good way to start.
We blurt out an answer or we write it?
You write it down.
We write it down.
Yes, and then we share when you're done writing.
Got it.
What time was Ben born?
Oh, darn it. Gina will know this. I'm ready.
Go ahead.
10:50 a.m.
It was 11:30
Okay, a.m., p.m.?
a.m.
Yeah.
All right.
She'll have this right.
All right, question number
Speed
2.
round.
What is Ben's favorite color?
I knew you were going to ask this.
I'm ready.
Hang on. Wait.
That's awesome. Gina, go ahead first.
Green.
Green.
Blue.
It used to be green. You're not wrong.
When did that change?
I did ask him to specify. I said, is there a shade of blue? And he said, no, I like blue. So,
Like most blues?
Yeah. Question number 3. What is Ben's favorite restaurant in St. Petersburg, Florida?
Oh.
I know, it's a bit.
Oh, this is a little tougher.
Is it or is it?
I know.
And are you
okay.
fact checking what they're saying on their papers? Just
Yes.
making sure no one's changed.
Oh, yeah, no. Of
Excuse
course.
me?
I know, you don't have enough points to be cheating. It's okay.
I answered Hawkers.
I said Hawkers / Sushi Inc.
Well, that,
Well, which one did you put down first?
I put Hawkers down first.
All right, so it was Sushi Inc. that you
Yep.
told me earlier today. All
I
right.
do love hawkers.
All right, so number 4 should be a layup, not to set you up. What is his favorite mixed alcoholic beverage?
Mojito.
Well,
Oh, I'm not supposed to say it out loud. That's
No.
right.
all right, so the next question is favorite soda. Gina first?
Coke.
Coke.
It's Dr. Pepper.
Ah, damn.
What the hell? Who are you?
I mean, I like that you get the, green better for you Coke, but if you asked me, I would,
Okay, this is
Sorry,
not...
that came out
This is not intended to
That
be a
came out
fight.
sassy.
This was supposed to be something fun for the family.
but it's-
The next one I will preface with, you both watch all of our YouTube videos. This one has been spoken about before. If he wasn't a robotics engineer, what would he be doing career-wise right now?
Oh, man. I remember
A
this one.
unicyclist in a carnival.
Oh,
International Man of Mystery,
I
perhaps.
was thinking male model, but that's not what I wrote down.
Okay.
Physics professor.
All right,
Yeah,
Steve.
I can't
I'm going
remember.
with postal worker.
And Gina, you gave it a big old X?
I gave it an X.
The answer to 6 would be chiropractor.
Oh, shoot, I knew
we
that.
All right, number 7. What is his
Come here,
favorite
Ben.
clothing store to shop at?
I used to take him to American Eagle.
Okay, but that was.
Think recent.
You probably
Does
know.
he go to the store or does he order from?
He doesn't go to any store. Steve, what do you think? Nothing?
Nothing.
All right, Gina?
Chubbies.
Yes, 1 point, Gina.
That is both of the
Well,
articles
I
of clothing
had-
I'm wearing right now.
It is currently 3-1.
There we go.
All right,
Yep.
question number 8. So he only had really one responsibility and chore for the house while living at 38 Dover. What was it?
I thought he had to clean the dishes.
Okay.
Garbage.
He was in charge of the bathroom.
Oh, that's right.
I love you a lot. I
Yeah.
just wanted you to know that.
This next one doesn't even seem fair. Do I even ask the...
Yeah.
Well,
Ask her.
I was
Come on.
in that bathroom in Dover and it wasn't good.
It was
Well,
fine.
yeah, I was in charge of it.
It was fine.
Who has been celebrity crush?
Yeah, this isn't going to go
No,
well.
I asked you if we
Oh,
should.
I know.
I just forgot which one it was.
Do you?
I do.
If you get this and none of the others, I don't know how I'm going to feel about
I've got
that.
this one.
I will say
Do you
it's
know
the
who
female lead
celebrities
from
are
his
in
favorite
the-
movie.
Emma Stone.
Wow, how'd you get that one?
He's my son.
Was she in a
right,
robotics movie?
Well, short,
Did she
redhead.
play Dungeons and Dragons?
She
She's
was
cute, she's got a
in,
great smile.
what is Ben's favorite holiday? What are we thinking, Gina?
New Year's Eve?
Okay.
I said Valentine's Day.
It's Christmas, but what country would Ben most like to visit?
Well, I don't know
Angrily?
if it's visit. If it's visit with you, then I absolutely know. If it's
No,
just plain
separate,
old visit,
separate from me.
because I know he wants to take you to Iceland. So
He does, that's true.
That
But
is
what
true.
is the answer for this one, Steve?
Japan.
Japan.
Yep.
Yes. Speaking of things
No,
I didn't even
Jason,
know,
come on.
Ben's Starbucks order.
Ben Star.
Oh.
If you're gonna bring Ben a
Yes.
coffee, like you're coming over and you're like, I'm gonna bring
I
you
gave a
coffee.
couple. There's a couple options for this I'd
Crappy.
take.
It's not even coffee. It's
No, it's
just
not.
a bunch of.
I didn't say it
it's-
was coffee.
It's
It's
sugar.
Starbucks.
It's sugar with
Yeah.
some whipped cream on top.
I mean, they're already right in saying this man doesn't drink anything that's not a milkshake from Starbucks.
That's exactly right.
Do either of you have anything like of a name?
I said a
or...
frappuccino.
Okay.
And I said a mocha frappe.
That is closer.
Would you accept both, or would you only accept one? Because you
I
do.
would accept
All
his,
right.
but not just Frappuccino, because that's not specific enough.
You do know who buys all the Christmas gifts here. It is not him.
Number 13 is a little throwback to last week at Thanksgiving. What is Ben's favorite flavor of a cider? Steve?
Apple.
Apple.
Pear.
That's right. Well,
It's on
that's
the
my
counter right
that's
now.
Mackenzie's favorite is pear, isn't it?
Well, we can have the same favorite.
I guess.
14. His favorite band. Gina?
The Beatles.
Yes, it is. A
Yeah.
point for both of
Some
you.
things don't change.
Wow.
Alright, so I will say with 2 questions left, you are tied 5-5.
All right.
Number 15 is what was Ben's favorite project while at WPI? Steve?
I went for the robotics arm.
Okay.
Oh crap! It was the arm.
Well, Gina, what did you write down?
I wrote the beach robot, but
It was
I-
his speech robot.
It actually was. I loved the arm, but I think working it.
Number 16, and Gina's up by 1 point, so this could lead to a tie, which will mean we will call Everett Johnson into play, which is the best part of the game.
Oh my God!
Um,
Let's do that. We love
okay.
Everett.
Blow this, honey. Just.
So
Just
this
do it
is
so we can talk to
Yeah,
Everett.
exactly.
so this is a long question, but
And Sean, we love you too. And Sebs.
All right.
and Chris.
And
Oh, and Chris.
Aw, and Chris.
he
All right.
makes the best chocolate chip cookies.
Make some cookies, Chris.
Number 16. What merit badge did he get during the class he won the Golden Cow at? You can tell I didn't write this question.
Yeah.
Horsemanship.
That's what he said not to answer.
That was the one because horsemanship was the one I lost, but animal science was.
Well, okay,
Oh,
Gina,
I
what
said
did you say?
agriculture.
You were
Bad.
you were one off.
I don't know.
Agriculture.
I wasn't there.
To be fair, Gina did just win, but do we want to call Everett anyway?
Yeah.
Where's my phone? No.
It was just because I hello.
Hey, Everett, so we've got a favor to ask you.
Hi, Everett.
Hi, Everett.
So,
Alright.
remember when we did the newlywed game and we pulled you into it?
Oh.
So that was a hit with the parents, and now we're doing Who Knows Ben Better, and we ended up with a tie, and we need a question from Everett Johnson. Also, Henry's there, so everyone say.
Oh, hello, Henry.
Hi, guys.
Hold on. I gotta think of a good one.
Good question. I'm trying to think of one as well. What is Ben's shoe size? His giant goddamn shoe size.
12.
Okay.
12.
Now they tied again. We did already ask what his favorite robotics project was.
What was his answer?
Yeah.
MQP.
And I got it right. And why?
I-
Was it his MQP? Because he
'Cause
was
of you
doing it
idiots.
with you guys.
I said it was the arm.
He said the
I'm
arm.
honored.
What was Ben's address in college?
Well, we all know that one.
Can we get a zip code
They're
too?
like way too good parents. This isn't fair. Do you think my parents would ever know that? They would laugh in my face if I asked them that question.
Really?
I might have another good one after this.
All right, last one, and if it's a tie, it's a tie. Everett, what's the question?
Okay. Alright.
You going?
Ben often wears a black t-shirt. with these words on it. What are those words?
And it is an anime reference, we'll say.
Oh, yes.
It says, I love my father most.
All right, we'll give that a very close call. And Gina?
No, there's an arrow and it says something like to the left or something.
Everything I own.
What?
Everything I own in the box to the left. No, it's to be continued.
There was an arrow.
There is an arrow.
Had the word.
Those were good ones, though.
That was good. Because the poor kid, it's not like we don't give him clothes, but he only wears the same shirts.
Where was the name of Ben's hamster?
Oh, what was the name of Ben's hamster?
Oh,
Wait.
Oh, this might break it. This might break it.
hang on.
Oh man, good call.
Neither of you know this one?
No, we did.
No, we do know
No, we
this.
do know
We
this
do
one.
know this.
It is,
And Henry is his godfather.
no.
Oh,
It is,
R.I.P.
oh,
All right.
who's that?
I'm dying.
All right. Gina, are you tapping out?
I am going to.
Teddy.
Whoa!
Whatever. Now we're
Thanks,
actually
guys.
tied.
You're tired. Okay, this has been
We're
Blast
good.
Blast. Bye, guys. Thank you.
Oh, thanks, How
Bye.
are you doing?
So, the fun thing about how this just ended is because of how we called them, it now ended in a tie.
An
And you know
actual
what?
tie.
I think we should leave it that
I
way.
think that works.
Everyone
Go
knows Ben the
crazy.
best. Everyone knows Ben. Thank you everybody so much for watching this video. Give it a like and a comment for Steve and Gina down below if you want to see them back on the channel doing more with us. I will be posting every day of December as we have been, so please like, comment, and subscribe. All of my normal links will be down below. And when are we going to see them next?
Tomorrow.
We'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys.